Now we have another surprise presentation by Ms. Virani Kamdar, the mother of Pratibhi Kamdar, the young graduate student of Daniwar Public School, Rajkot. Ma'am, please take your charge.
A very warm good evening to one and all present here. Today, I am going to present a small speech on a heart-touching issue, Save the Girl Child. दिन की रोशनी ख्वाबों को बनाने में गुजर गई। दिन की रोशनी ख्वाबों को बनाने में गुजर गई। रातों की नींद बच्चों को सुलाने में गुजर गई। जिस घर में मेरे नाम की तख्ती भी नहीं थी, सारी उम्र उस घर को सजाने में गुजर गई। सारी उम्र उस घर को सजाने में गुजर गई। As I stand before you today, my heart swells with pride and gratitude, for within me beats the immeasurable joy of motherhood, the indescribable bond that binds me to my two precious daughters, Pramiti and Pratiti. With each passing moment, they illuminate my life with laughter, their curiosity, and their bondless love. Today, I speak not only as a woman, but as a mother, a fierce advocate for the limitless potential inherent in every girl child. Women are the epitome of wealth and power. Women play the important role in this society, and the whole family is always depend on the women for its daily life activities. They play the role of mother, wife, homemaker, cook, teacher, friend, nurse, all at the same time while catering to everybody's needs. In society, everybody wants an ideal mother, an ideal sister, an ideal wife, an ideal daughter. But they never want the girl to be blood related. Why so? In every family's beating heart lies a hope for a child for the future. But in society's whisper, there's always a bias against a girl child. Despite our efforts to save and educate them, inequality still lurks in our minds. Girls have proven them in every field better than the boys. And due to their hard work, their dedication, they have been to the space also. They are the most talented, obedient, hardworking, and responsible for the family, for their life. And besides all, girls are the more caring and loving towards their parents. But still, people prefer a boy child? Why do we struggle to embrace the miracle of girl birth? Now, it's time to change the story. Let's fill our world with acceptance and kindness. Every laugh, every tear, every moment of our daughter is precious, promising a bright future. Let's embrace girls with love and care, creating a world where their value isn't defined by the gender, but by love and dreams. Together, we can build a tomorrow where every child shines with hope and possibilities, regardless of their genders. I would conclude my speech by saying a small poem. माँ, मैं तेरी आंखों का तारा बनके झिलमिलाना चाहती थी। माँ, मैं तेरी आंखों का तारा बनके झिलमिलाना चाहती थी। माँ, मैं जीना चाहती थी। माँ, मैं जीना चाहती थी। Don't kill me, माँ, don't kill me. माँ, तेरी सांसों से मेरी सांसें चलती रही। माँ, तेरी सांसों से मेरी सांसें चलती रही, पर पता नहीं क्यों आज सांसों का आना बंद सा हो गया है। पर पता नहीं क्यों आज सांसों का आना बंद सा हो गया है। माँ, डोंट किल मी, माँ, डोंट किल मी। Please save the girl child, because we cannot imagine the world without women. Thank you.
What a heart-touching wording, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you are right. Women are real architect of society. Thank you, ma'am. A huge round of applause for Miss Viragi Kamdar.